Hi everyone, it's day number 2, the 2nd of December. So let's open up, see what we've got. Yesterday we had nice posh Illamasqua lipstick. Now from memory, number 2 at the top. I'm being lazy. In this one here. Okay, number 2. Flat, oblong shape. Let's see what it holds. The same tissue paper, Swaddling of Blimey, and we have got Ciati or Chiati. Okay, so this is what we have. Chiati Fierce Flicks, and this is pencil. Right, well, after a lot of removal of plastic, which seems to be welded on this pencil, I've established that this is a liquid eyeliner, which you can tell, I've tested it here. It's like liquid eyeliner. And obviously it's not clear. Fierce Flicks, I guess, it gives it away, but because Ciati, or the brand Ciati, I've known as nail varnish, you know, the ones that normally come free with magazines and etc. Anyway, end of the day we got there. Liquid eyeliner from Ciati. See you tomorrow.